Welcome to Power BI channel. Today I'll do a very quick tip on how to comment your DAX code, and especially for the beginner. So the first thing you do, you go to one of your measures which you have created and which you want to comment. So for this example, we're gonna do on a previous month sales. So we double click it. Then the first thing we do, we add 2 double slashes. Then comment. And these have to be forward slashes. If you're happy with your comment, commit. Then we can have a look and see whether our comment is still there. So we go again to that measure and we want to look if our comment is there. There we go. And that is the quickest way to be able to comment to your code, especially when you're writing your DAX for the other people to be able to know what you're trying to achieve on that particular code. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share.